However, here are some general tips that may help women lose weight in 30 days. Create a calorie deficit. Weight loss occurs when you consume fewer calories than your body needs to function. Determine your daily caloric needs and aim to create a calorie deficit by consuming fewer calories or burning more calories through exercise. Increase physical activity. Incorporate regular exercise into your routine, such as brisk walking, jogging, cycling, or swimming. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week. Eat a balanced diet. Focus on consuming a variety of whole, nutrient-dense foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean protein, whole grains, and healthy fats. Avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and high-fat foods.
9,
Keep a food diary. Tracking your food intake can help you stay accountable and make
10,
better food choices. Use an app or a journal to record your meals and snacks. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your body hydrated and aid in digestion. Get enough sleep. Aim for at least 7-8 hours of sleep per night to help regulate hormones that regulate appetite and weight. Remember, weight loss is a gradual process, and it's essential to make sustainable lifestyle changes rather than relying on fad diets or extreme measures. It's also recommended to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any weight loss program.